Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can create your grade sheet for your students, which it is color and evaluation automatically change. As you see, this student is failed. He got 51. According to the grading scale, it's failed, and directly its color is red. If we change its mark from 30 to 90, you see it will be pass. The average will be 66 and it's automatically changed to pass, and color is changed to purple from red. For example, this one, satisfactory, I want to change this one to 85. It will be 89. Directly it changes to good, and so on. Let us start to create this type of grading sheet. Okay, I want to delete these two cells. I deleted it. For average, if you just write here average, you see we subject a problem. 80. You see we have a fraction. I don't need this fraction. How we can solve this problem? From here, just here write round, yes, round and semicolon, and write 0. Close the bracket, enter. Directly this one will be 80. We don't have any fraction. 80.5 directly will be 81, but 80.4 directly round down to 80, as you see. Okay, that is the code. I use it. For grading, it's somewhat long, but not difficult. Just write equal if this cell greater or equal 90, it should be excellent. Okay, quotation and semicolon again. If another condition I need the same F3, you can write F3 again, greater or equal 80, it will be good, semicolon, good, semicolon, if F3 again, greater or equal 70, it will be satisfactory. We know 70 to 79 is satisfactory. Okay, semicolon again, if bracket F3 again, greater or equal 60, semicolon, it will be pass. If it is greater or equal than 60, it will be pass. And this time you don't need to provide another if for fail, just semicolon, semicolon, fail. If we don't have the previous condition, directly it will be fail. Enter. Yes, it is good. Now just drag or double click here, you get. Okay, and you see we get directly color code because I previously provided. For changing color code, for example, for good I want to change, just select all the cells here, these cells, and go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, more rules, format only cell contain, change this one to specific text. For example, if we have good, format color, which color? Let be this one. Okay. Yes, you see it changes. And for example, for pass, again, just select the cell and formatting condition, conditional formatting here, more rules, format only cells that contain cell value specific text, specific text. For pass, any cell contain pass, format color, for example, this one. Okay, you see it changed. Now if I just change the number here to 90, it pass, directly change it. For example, this one 299, good. This one 100, excellent. This one 60, satisfactory. That's the method of creating your grading sheet with a color code and automatic evaluation of your students. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.